What's up guys, just want to do a quick video showing you what a 5-inch straight pipe exhaust sounds like on an LML Duramax. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. If you have questions, ask in the comments or look me up on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel and shoot me a message. Thanks guys, let's get at her. So this is the truck. This one happens to be a 2013 Duramax LML. Got a 5 to 6 inch chrome tip on. Flo-Pro 5-inch straight pipe exhaust. No muffler, nothing like that in there. It has a factory downpipe, all that stuff. It's just got the exhaust and an engine tune. So let's fire it up. Well, that's what she sounds like. Hopefully the GoPro sound quality is good enough for you to kind of hear. They sound real good. They're still pretty quiet when you're driving down the actual road, but when you romp on them, then they really scream for you. I always say in my other videos that I like the 5-inch exhaust better than the 4-inch. I just think they sound better. And I think they also just look better coming out the tailpipe of the truck. 4-inch exhaust is just a little bit more kind of higher pitched. You might get a little more of the annoying drone in the cab, but yeah, I always say 5-inch is the way to go. Anyways guys, that's it for the video. Like I said, just a short video showing you what it sounds like. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Look me up on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel. Shoot me a message if you got questions or ask in the comments. Thanks guys, see you on the next video.